Millions of people suffer from pain in the hips and knees, which is often a result of genetic predispositions, injuries, or the normal tear and wear of the joints. The CDC reports that about half of all Americans develop knee arthritis by age 85, and a quarter may develop hip arthritis. Even at younger ages, injuries to these joints are also common. Most people suffer from knee or hip pain since these large joints bear the full weight of your body while at the same time allowing for a wide range of motion. They support the entire weight of the body and work in close coordination to provide the proper mobility, until an injury, arthritis, or other problems interfere. Yet, this pain can be debilitating and too intense, and people turn to painkillers to relieve it. However, there is an effective natural way to regenerate the cartilages of the hips and knees and relieve the pain in a short period of time. Here is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of mint, 1 tablespoon of salvia, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 liter of water. Instructions: heat the water, and when it starts to boil, add the herbs and boil them for 5 minutes. Then, turn off the heat, and leave the mixture to cool down for 15 minutes. Strain the tea, sweeten it with honey, and put it in the fridge. Drink a cup of it twice daily, once in the morning on an empty stomach, and once more before going to bed. The intensity of the pain will be reduced within a week, and all symptoms will gradually disappear.